대라양 다 지단기 안에 가장 겹지 뭐가를 붙이기 양시 무진단 타주 자 기타 저기 제군도류르지 세브레 안진 주스 다 가장이 제고디 토리아 미세기 가족이한테 계지방무지게 계지방무지 시야 민도라 아니 두수 김 마다운 시제 아니 미세 간슈요 말해 다이네 지린디 가드린디 두주디스 제베 이미인상 년다 뭐가를 치기 양심을 지다 제베게 계속 하시지 쉬셔봐요.
Now, yesterday we had the ceremony for the identification and recognition of the reincarnation of Kyabje Bokar Rinpoche. And during the ceremony, there was not a lot of time for me to say much of anything. And so I did not really speak about the circumstances around the recognition of the reincarnation. However, today we do have a bit of time, and so I would like to say a few words about the recognition of the reincarnation of Bokar Rinpoche.
마시 가장 캐르무지 로드 초기 양시 제주 수당기 더 유림도 되지 모르 남래 드니다 디나려야 만두버지 에미세 쇼가스케멘도 다 이비네야 양시 무지차디 내주 망고지 소소히 생고 저 망고지 미신다게 신기해 말해 드린 주사네 이제 상황 휴가 개면도 되미냐 가셔지 쉬비미나 아니 다 모델을 야고 차로 그랬었지 참래 드린 주사네 예 단도주 쉬야 베즈슈이
Actually, yesterday, Khenpo Rinpoche Lodro Dinya did read the brief history of the process, or the story of the process of recognition. And really that covered everything. There's nothing that is left out of that. But generally, in terms of the recognition of the reincarnation, there are some particular situations and some feelings that I had that others may not know about, but might be helpful. And so I don't think I need to explain everything, but there are a few points I would like to mention and to give a sort of a brief overview of it.
다 뒤주디죠. 내 다다지 아버 증거면도 근데 주잖아. 뒤주디죠. 다 이비냐. 니 공부 좋아야 돼. 니 좀 실려. 니 좀 실이야. 안 공부 좋아해. 공부 좋아야 돼. 루브르 실지야 돼. 쇼베질이야. 루브르질. 대두산에 게 되다디 말람기 그주 말람기 Gabriya Tanda, got the Treasure Barson, the Treasure Baran Tanda, the Shopet, Treasure Baran Tanda, Zam. Did you send this? Tanda something, tinted with this in Jimaso Share. The Digilia, Gombat over the rich Cosso, Loberto. Did you sign ye much? The Ines of Sorge. Aineda yim yimachebrushe and the dustane that thing elia mirilia dwar jikashe che ting jiniji chebre ine rotoyo mare kub de dustane mise cheche and mise yin sin rushu that the 공부做인자 인지비 조고도 세 인지 쉬운 주산 되지 람로 교세 미리리아지 레터버래 그래서 미리레 레드 지데지 테마 좀을 이 단도 시라라 이체 다 공부 좋다 좋아봐 이내야 2000년 만돼 봐서 don't want to believe some of that 근데 이제 2000년 만돼 버리지 다 이 맞을 안 제대로 봐 이내인데 2000년마다 단도 공부 좀 했어서 그렇지 제제 딱 안다 미질리아 레드네 레벨콜이야다 제 섬으로 거세 또 심래
Now, I may not remember all the dates properly, but it was 2004 that Kyabje Bokar Rinpoche passed away. It was very sudden. All of a sudden, one morning, he just passed away. And that was the morning that I wrote the melody for the Tashi Palbar, the auspicious melody. And when I wrote that, I felt like this just isn't a good connection. When that happened, I realized maybe this wasn't a good connection for that. It's just that on that very morning that I wrote the melody, and then I heard that Bokar Rinpoche had suddenly...
I composed that, but that have some problem.
Excuse me, I wrote it, but at that time there were a few problems. And so that was the morning that Bokar Rinpoche passed away. And when I heard it, then I couldn't believe it. It's like, I thought, how could this possibly? I didn't believe it. So I had tried to go to Mirik Monastery a couple or three times in the past, but it hadn't worked out. But this time I made a special request saying that Rinpoche had passed away, so I absolutely had to go. And I was given the permission. It worked out so that I could go. And when I went to Mirik Monastery, I still didn't want to believe that Rinpoche had passed away. Of course, I really should have believed. There's no way not to believe that he had passed. But I still, in my heart, I really felt like I really did not want to believe that he had passed away.
Today, Mirilia Ting was Miril Ting Kashi Simbre, Miril Ting Kashi Simbre. Ting Chilia, Mirilia, Mandrocolia, Milam Rich Dance. Did you Milam Rich? Rimbachi did you that? Go Mordung showed you the go, goody, Mrs. Matan showed you the body is kept. Just a million only a cancer. Pay a woman goody, pay your chair. You're in the Dutch, the Charles Casa. The Gutina, the near chart at Tangwina, near chart the Gutina, Louismina, and a good is on the church, and the near chart been on Tangche, Gusutina and Tangche. Energy casual, ya just so much of the Milan star. A drain you sana, did you sana, 다 버지 간다르 디기 초안으로 된거 면에서 다가 수술 소화 간지 간다르 무지 공부 잡디 가르에 다 간다르 수술 셈리아 방법이 좋은데 버지당 계시를 무지지 뭐주 배 가르에 주다 양결 꿀루디니 돌이야 주 로야로 쉐위미나 안탑시 가래네 직 가르지 제সম사로지 버지 급티 비싼 밀름딩에 천하로 간지여디 버지 전투고래 삼창이에요.
I went to Mirak Monastery a few times. The first time I went, it was just one time I went, just a little bit before I went, I had a dream. And in my dream, the remains of Bokar Rinpoche were still present, the remains as they were before the cremation. And in my dream, it was kind of strange. It was like the remains were still there. And I had this feeling that if I could give my blood to the remains, if I could pour my blood into the remains, then he would be revived and come back to life in that very same body. So like I dreamt that I gave him my blood and he came back to life. And I had a really strange feeling at that time during the dream. It's like when Bokar Rinpoche passed away, I felt a really great sense of loss. And I felt like if there was anything that I could do to bring him back in that same body, I would have done it. And so that was the feeling that I had in the dream.
No dream that time.
Or that was the feeling that I had at the time.
다 디젤이야 데 가서다 간다르다 십주시고 공조 걸려야 침브레 안디 걸려야 어디 가장 수문의 시에 거기도사는 문제 제로치스 다 수문다 문제 제로치스 다 부가름지 연습 문제 제로치스 난 부가름지 연습 지당 연습 문제 자사를 가고 싶지 하다 남시 과에 현재라도 가고 싶지 참참 쇼베 가르쳐야 돼 공다 전을 지금 말해 근데 이제 쭉 남시 과에 다 유파스 주세요 다 인비네야 가르쳐야 다 이나 알강에 치슈디 가르쳐서는 다 신기매지 지금 신기매슬라비나 아니 이치가 말아 미주 이치가 말해 오늘 소소 신기매네야 안데 미주 이치가 매비 인상 안데 신기매나 신기운동도 맞지라지라 안데 인주산에 다지 지규운동도를 지기다 탭시를 지기 다를 신다다 가마르데 다를 rumbucheliya 데스 소소다 데버를 지어비 인주산에 다 rumbucheliya 가지고 수행되버려 제비입니다 다직세나 람저로 교체지 차로연로삼 드레비 텐세 다지 녀치기 지 켈렌도 세브레
As was mentioned yesterday, I went during the 49th day of the puja, and and after that they asked me to find and recognize the reincarnation. So, but actually finding the reincarnation of Bokar Rinpoche is extremely difficult. It's hard to say, where is the consciousness? Sometimes in the evenings I don't remember what I did in the morning, and so and if I can't even remember that, then finding the consciousness is extremely difficult. But actually my greatest difficulty is that even if I don't know something, no one is going to believe me if I say that I don't know. So sometimes if I don't know something, I still have to since no one's going to believe that I don't know it, I have to pretend that I know. And So, so I sort of pretended that I might know, and then, but not saying anything about it. Because I had such a strong connection with Rinpoche, and so I felt to myself that if I prayed to Rinpoche, something would work out, and so I accepted and promised that I would try.
Pray the love. Okay. Tadne Mirilia, that Tamadi, somewhere, Tamadi Dragolia. Kudung Shin de Gavrechgreda, Kudung de Shine, Revenge Kudung, the Sirdung Summer, Kudung is Chede, Kudung Chede Shintree, Captain said, I was changing the ta. And that Tigalia, Mantra Holia. That Milam was sort of young, that is the Jignala, and Bujibe, Tungsare, Zarch, the little jig. That is the jig, which quarter. Changcho, damn Changcho, don't you? Music Changcho, but you Tungsare is the jig. Just a cup did you stand in a Campbell Bachilia, Surzum Shibi, and the Regi, Mineral to Stansons. 미리 자주 과학해야지 쉬비 애들 캠보게는 미리 자주디 전종을 했을 순구도 안 대마도 대자마도 다 신다 미세 가르쳐 겁지도 사는 신다 그게 요 말이에요.
Now, the last time that I visited Mirik Monastery is when they were had built the stupa for the remains, the golden stupa for the remains of Boka Rinpoche. And I don't remember exactly when that was, but just before I went, I had a dream, and there were a lot of things things happening in the dream. But it occurred to me in the dream that he had been born somewhere to the north of Mirik Monastery. And so at that time, I mentioned it on the side to Khenpo Rinpoche, and I asked him, well, what is to the north of Mirik Monastery? And Khenpo Rinpoche replied that to the north of Mirik was Sikkim. So that's all that I felt at that time. There wasn't anything more specific.
디젤 너무 막무치 그래. 강강 지금 미세 다참을 강가서 용 말해. 근데 린주산에 다참아 용은 내 지신 디시스 게임인데. 근데 지 우주도 막무치기야도. 다이면은 안에 지신 디시스 게임인도. 안 다와되는 니도 주실로야. 다 니도 주신 다 담배나 진짜 담배나. 수로로 사람님은 겁들이야. 마시 딩엘이야. 그 유망람 팅수 소지 보면 저거를 디가사디 총뒤걸이야. 아니 팅수 소니베 그 유망람 걸이야. 아니 뭐지 지야로지. 아도 베주치기 인스트르지 라우레. 안 디덕기. 안 캠보로 뭐지 버진 다와지 머신지 고다. 다와지 머신지 고. 다디 진짜 담배 ngol kesi de siabre kembor machine dawachi machine se be jongana ro be gukche tene 진짜 담배들이 술주로 좋아 술주로 아니 가다 출루 로사니 뭐들 캠버를 붙이 야다 디두산에 로산 제고 쉐베 급 다라는데 안다 캠버를 무슨 나와지지 고데레다 아 시야면다 괜찮은 줄 봐. 다들은 주 따스마 고데나 가듀용 미용 자 하고서 말하다 직전에 로스미스 단도 따좀 강강미용 데데 다 따스마 고데나 고 가듀용 미용 하고 말아. 다들은 다 텔레 바지 우주 잡상 가사레서 다지 삼로지 땅 같이 디두산 삼로지 땅 같이 디두산은 미세게 좀 붙이려야지 가지고에 신다다 캠에서 rinpoche리아 디스 가서 대 무구 말입니다. 대바 무구를 개발하지는 그러지 개발을 주 전화 총 근데 이제 진짜가 무구다 대맹하나 다 소소 나와 간샤를 봐 람사 이게 지제는 캠볼이야 퓨비
Then many years passed during which there weren't any clear signs of anything, and there were no clear signs. And so, no matter how much I tried, I hadn't anything to say. There weren't any clear signs. Then in January of 2014, during the Tsurpo Losar, actually before that, during the 31st Kaju Munlam, at the end of at a meeting after the Kaju Munlam for the working team, I said that I would try to recognize the reincarnation for the 32nd Kaju Munlam. And so Khenpo Rinpoche waited. He waited almost a month because that meeting was in the beginning of January, so he waited in his hotel for nearly a month. And then finally, on January 30th, it was the day of the Tsurpo Losar, the Losar according to the New Year according to the Tsurpo calculations. And we had a ceremony that day. And Khenpo Rinpoche had been waiting for so long, and I'd had nothing to say.
Waiting for here almost 1 month.
Yeah, he'd been waiting for almost a month for this, and I'd had nothing to say to him, and it felt like very strange to keep him waiting and not say anything at all. And so, even though I didn't know what to say, I thought I would try. I would try my hardest, and at that morning, so then I tried to put a particular effort into it and prayed to it. And that morning, I felt a really special devotion for Rinpoche. And with that special devotion, then there are a few things that occurred to me, or a few visions or appearances that occurred to me. And so I immediately wrote those down and gave them to Khenpo Rinpoche.
다음에 디젤이야 나는 고조가래 search group somewhere 연습 제주 중에 미치버래 제주 가시지 민토 가시지 돼서 다이면 디제주 수단 디 대지가 저래 지금 와서 다 장부 수비입니다 연습 제주 수니 민토 제주 민토 거랑에 때문에 가다 디 떠주 맞은 도와지 수도와지 샤신 다다보다 같이 유마죠 다대다 대지 지금 와서 들을 전서 민도 대레신도 떠요 맞죠 안 되는 주사는 단도 양가르지 제주를 쉬고서 예수서로 들을 전지 민도 대떠요 맞죠.
And so a search committee was formed, and they immediately went on the search, and then they found a few names, and they sent me the names, lists of some names. And actually, to be perfectly honest, I didn't look at those. I felt like it wasn't right. And so I felt like it wasn't right. They needed to keep looking, and so I put them aside without looking at them. I had this feeling that they still needed to keep looking, and so I did not look at the names then.
And Mr. Lensake, that can re Maresero can love your money. The derivative logical. Logical.
And I didn't give any answer. I didn't say yes or no. It was this or that. I didn't make any answer at all, and so it took another year.
I'm Molam. Suni Begaria. That is Tame. Uma Tinsu Soji Begali, Sondugal Geji, Lingbe in Zan Degi, Tinsu Soni Begalia, Mimangojo, the Kajre, she Bugaruchi and Sanjay, several delivery Gizeruchi, Mamboji Shed. Tinsu Soni Begal, Malancolata Kancho, and the Sami Sheberche. That is Shudelia. 안 팅수주 소니베 양 셰라 레지 소리 셰라 담베 걸이야 안 장 겸버를 되는 휴제 안 되주산다 말람 걸로 마존네다 파마 되지 미규지 걸 되는 휴도 버르지 요 지기 인비네야 다들 되는 휴버 잡을이야 캠보 거랑베 무슨 페나마도 드그멘도 제제 다들 또 쉬비 근데 이제 캠베이미네 시시나 안테라 첩지도 아주 라브라니 ene lejeji nyamdo tamre
Now, during the 32nd Kaju Munam, since I had mentioned it during the meeting, everyone had the expectation that that I would recognize the Bokar reincarnation during the 32nd Munam, and everyone was saying that it would happen. But as you all know, it didn't work. It didn't happen. However, at the end of the Munam, we had a dinner for the working team, and at that time, I invited Kempo in particular, and I said that it hadn't worked out during the Munam, but that I would try to make it work during the Arya Chema Winter Dharma gathering. But I also mentioned that in order for it to work out, Kempo Rinpoche himself had to go, otherwise it wouldn't work. And so Kempo Rinpoche, of course, accepted, and he went along with a worker from the Tsurpo Ladra.
Then Tsurpo Ladra leje de kota karure lengyen de chimbo yesa ta ko ngale ya ke jama kuchudo kawan ro re tongzo kawan ro re ta dando detail manga chikishos ta detail shipja ta dari ko dis chikar 다가서 리그룹 용하기 근데 다 쇼도 잘 디테일 많고 키스 안데 두사 제 주무르 지가제 사전데 렌데 지 강반데 지 미장데 지 셈나 칸데는 좀 콜지 시 안다나 지 총소 과세고 디 민데 콜지 때 디레 지 체베 제가 코로나야 주뒤네 뱅알 케렌 주시도 배 자자 자다마 그베 가서 지금 뭐디 두주 둥둥지가 나와 자자 자다마 티용 인식도
And so this worker had a big responsibility, and because he had a big responsibility, he asked a lot of questions. I need more details. I need more information. Please, you have to give us more details. And so, he wanted to be able to fulfill the task, complete the task that he had been given properly. And so he said he needed more details. And so I made a drawing that showed the drawing of the area, of the mountains and the house, and I mentioned the number of members in the family. And I also gave the name of the village where they should go to search. And when he got this, then the worker said, 100% certain we'll get we'll find the tulku. It's 100% certain that we'll find him in a short time. So no doubt.
Then the 다 키우서래 다 배셔서 뭐 추구서래 가서 다디 녀버래 파파지 배 녀마 셰샤와데다 튠바도지 다 총수 디난 테마도 바지 매매서지 늘지 셰서 안데주산디 공당에 미세가 라메 다디 선이들이야 미세 다저게 제야만 다저게 제야만 김보름 주군들지 치소 캠버를 뭐지 지금도 치주잖아. 캠버를 뭐지 갈아 간성으로 봐. 지 가수에 배 엑셉트지 당번에 왜 타주에 개체야 말도 이미네. 답에 다 갈아 간성으로 지 답에 디 임반으로 지 봐. 나가 이사래. 다 돈이야 버시지 총송스. 단도나 아주 디 문진 타제 머중 콜이야 조다 된게 다 벗으면 다 보면에 캠버를 붙이래 캠버를 붙이기 다 투기 소화로 가져도 디 계셔을 잘해요 다 오늘 전에 캠버를 붙이 디 잡지 좀 붙이 꼭 고마다 다배 자와메바 냠도 쇼딩이 지금 인두산 고란 미세 투고 소화로 지용세래 인두산에 다뭐 캠버를 붙이고 뉴리아 되는 주제 캠버를 붙이래야 투고 소화로 가려요 디 개첨부를 지래 삼지 전송 다 드네마 되시제 아니 잡지 개설을 붙이미나 뭐가를 붙이고 고마다 미세다 도나 신도 튠보여야 되거든 인두산에 또 신도 튠보여야 인두산에 담보를 붙이고 뉴 잘 다나 신장고를 붙이고 뉴라 잘 다나 신기드네 가수에 장교수들을 붙일다 누가 가르치 텔레임이냐 아주 인생 푸 된대를 붙이죠 상매기 지 가르쳐다 지 가수에 토기 나올래야 대 가수에다지 상매기 다 토리아 마대와 매반을 붙이 근데 좀 머중 봐도 나게 타주스게 제뉴 제요 말라 제뉴야스게요 말라 캠보디 담보 캠보로 얘기하죠.
So they found the we could say the boy or you can say the tulku if we are being respectful. They found the boy or the tulku within a few days of searching, and at that time, and they had looked at my explanations, and it was basically only in that village, only at that place that it could have worked out. There was nowhere else that it could possibly have been. And so they identified this boy, but I still hadn't decided. There's a potential, but it wasn't really decided. So I said to bring him down to Khenpo Rinpoche. And so this, and Khenpo Rinpoche accepted him immediately, and Khenpo Rinpoche actually was extremely delighted to meet him. Basically, in terms of, we hadn't really decided that this was definitely the recognition, definitely the reincarnation. We hadn't decided that. However, the sort of master of Mirik Monastery is Khenpo Rinpoche, and his feeling is very important. He had been many years with Kyabje Bokar Rinpoche, never separated. He was never apart from Kyabje Bokar Rinpoche for many years. So his particular feelings of this were very important. And so I said that he should be first brought to Khenpo Rinpoche because his feeling about the situation is also very important. And then he was brought down here, and His Eminence Gyaltsat Rinpoche also has had a very strong connection with Bokar Rinpoche, and so he first went to see Rinpoche. Likewise, also Jamgon Rinpoche went to see the reincarnation, and we also informed His Eminence Sita Rinpoche about this, and they all agreed. None of them felt any discomfort or any problem with this. And so up to that point, I hadn't felt like I was able to decide, and I had not really decided fully. I hadn't felt like I would had the ability to decide.
안는데 담아들 등에 캠버를 붙이래. 캠버를 붙이대 제 디제를 캠버를 붙이대 배열에. 네 캠버를 붙이지 간지슈이. ké kōna tā khanchen dōs tā kāti jī shūwīn tā kōnga jācā jātāṁ bā tā tā rā yīn sōng pāchī tā ngē tā mācī kōna kēmbu yu tā chēn lō pāchī tā ngē mārē sī lā nā tēs nyē sā mārē sā sā rā dō tā 드린 주산에 드는 라소 사제다 나 진짜 제제는 가르 간디가디 타 미세 주행긴 가요 말하다 그냥 타 최소리다 그렇지
Finally, Khenpo Rinpoche came to see me, and I asked him, do you think that he really is the reincarnation? And he said, definitely. He's definitely the reincarnation, 100% certain. So really, before I could determine anything, Khenpo Rinpoche had already decided. It's like it was decided. No matter what, if I had said that it wasn't the reincarnation, I don't think he would have listened to me. So it's like, okay, that's how it is. It was really decided before we made the decision.
And Kazandi Zego the Chevre. Zidangi Niegi Samuel Kadir Sana. Takandara Jobjin Bugaram Chigi, Munetine Kashureda. 다 세서 마시는 넘시서 말베다 넘버 10버도 오늘도 간절히 오늘 다 시에도 아까하고 싶어래 다 임비네야 간다를 가장 본도 쉬는 날씨다 유림디 존도스바 모두지 슈두산에 안다 간다 드르르시 도나 나라는 죄당게 매비비네야 아니지 지 겹지름 치기 도기에다 명람당 and the Shilabla Dene Chung, the Samalon Titula Dene Chung Devi Visiting Anandos Muduchi, Madame Arang, any young sis, the Dainji Minji, Kasuaji, Yorbataji, Dilla Chungo Samaruchi, Satan Dilia Chungo Samaruchi down, and Mizanji Chubun and Diego Samaruda. And the Jungbol Geo Summer, the Javakameta, Chubul Jena, Chubureta, Miss Hamegi, that is Anti Lamachukumanguji, the Karaji, Chubu that did give you inside, each of me to Chambina, Chungo to sing the Kashi on the door. That in a Munetane, Chubuna, Chunduena, Alata Shike, Marodi. And then you sane Al the Jagata, Namdor Kame. 간다 드레르 체제 중말에 안데 인도산 가장 안제고로 도시 슈도 중원에스 다도나 문진 챙게 완전 체험을 봐 문진 체사디 딱 완전 체서 말이야 문진 체서 쭉구디 과 중요면 대 완전 체험 문진 챙게 와저스 개야마로다. 가와충에는 델레레 마다 문지 징에는 델레 총고에 델레 총 적음에 사지요 말로다.
And so we had the ceremony yesterday. Now the way I felt about it, the way I've thought about it is actually it's really difficult to tell where the consciousness, if we don't use respectful terms, it's difficult to tell where the consciousness of Kyabje Bokar Rinpoche could be. But at any rate, this was the sequence of events. Now, I don't have any particular powers, or I don't have any particular skills. I think that really this only occurred in this way because of the strength and the power of Kyabje Rinpoche's, because of the strength of his aspirations and because of the strength of his wisdom. And so, for my own part, I don't feel like I can say now the reincarnation should be born here or should be born in this sort of person, the family. I can't say that he should be born in a rich family or should be born in a poor family. I have no power to say that. If he's born in a rich family, he's born in a rich family, and there's not much that I can do about it in any way. So, these days, there are many tulkus who are reborn in rich families, and some people say, oh, he can't be the tulku because he was born in a rich family, but there's nothing one can do about it. If he's born in a rich family, he's born in a rich family, and that's there's no way that anyone can affect that. And in any case, we were able to have the ceremony yesterday. Basically, when the tulku takes birth in a particular family, that is not something that the person who's doing the recognition can influence. That's completely under the power of the one who is recognized, and so. There's no way I can tell that I can tell him that you must be born here.
다들 가장 제고 제외가래야 손아로 견자 공기다 로즈에다 나랑 엄마디 무지 제외가 로즈에 찍버지 있어요. 로치 좀 찍버지. 나가마 벌 무지 제외가 로치 좀 찍버지. 견자죠. 가 디스 가보 예배서 교보 예배서 견자를 나랑 엄마 충충거들 니즈를 텐제 간다리야 죽으세야디 계셔야비나 죽으세야디사 미망부터 죽으를 쳐야 되바치도 죽으소야 서머로다지 아바 아마데서 경보를 지어벤 전보를 지는데 죽으소셔래 그냥 죽으세야디 가서 레라버치 메라다 레라버치 요말라 기부지 야데 그라 합시라레 섬정게 가레사나 게엔도 죽구나 당 게임 먹고 나라 기부 유지를 받아 제바스 게임인데 다 임비냐 간다냐 아랑 추슈가 니즈를 참래 아니 가르레다 총뒤네 수수 파마다 카테 디니즈 지그레 다드네 로주실 리두스다네 가레리 퍼유다 카테다 베다 카테 디르 니즈를 망고 총말에 엔지 디디 상마 제거가 균제디 수수 주구임이 균제를 되네 엔데 가르레 수수에기 디 가르다 르동마도 쳐야래 안데 인주스다네 안 좀 붙이기 가서다 제가 좀 붙이기 여비움들을 대스지 가서다 지대지 셈난 지 가서에 대스 닝제서 말이야 닝제게 하는지 좀 붙이래 대스 닝제게 하는지 다 간다라 지내줍시도 간다야 안 좀 붙이기 가서에 구신제진 게 알아야 나랑외네 가르 제토가 임내야 상매지 쇼기에 섬으로 드릴 텐데요. 안테만 아게 샤면도
Now, during the ceremony yesterday, it occurred to me that the reincarnation is the same age as I was when I was recognized. And so whether you think of this as being happy or whether I think of it as being sad, in any case, I remembered what it was like for me when I was young. These days, there are a lot of people who want to make tulkus. There's a particular family that might be influential, or a particular family, they say, make the child a tulku. But it's really not that easy. It's actually very difficult, and it's difficult for it to be happy. There's a lot of responsibility that you have to bear. Of course, if you don't take on the responsibility, then maybe it's fine. But if you take on the responsibility, it can be difficult. And so I remembered my own situation. When I was young, I was separated from my parents. And then when I was 14, I was separated from my homeland. I was separated from Tibet. And there are many different situations that have happened since then. And the reason that all of these have happened is because I was recognized as a tulku. I've had to give up a lot. And so, at any rate, during the ceremony, looking at his parents and myself, I felt compassion for his parents. And looking at Rinpoche, I felt compassion for Rinpoche. And so that was the feeling that I had during the ceremony. In any case, I will do everything I can to make sure that he does well and that his activity flourishes in this life. Other than that, I haven't anything in particular to say.